Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find lock screen and security. Scroll down again to encryption and credentials. And at the very bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials options, so let's tap on it. If you're really ready to remove all the contents, click on OK. Draw your pattern if you have one to confirm, and as you can see, the credential storage is erased. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.